Islam, one of the world's major religions, originated in the early 7th century CE in Mecca, located in present-day Saudi Arabia. The term Islam means submission, reflecting the faith's core principle of submitting to the will of Allah, the Arabic word for God. Founding an early expansion in 610 CE, at the age of 40, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, began receiving divine revelations from Allah through the angel Gabriel. These revelations, which continued over 23 years, were later compiled into Islam's holy book, the Quran. Muhammad's, peace be upon him, message emphasized monotheism, social justice, and compassion. Initially, he faced opposition from Meccan elites due to his challenge to the existing social and religious order. In 622 CE, facing persecution, Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his followers migrated to Yathrib, later named Medina, in an event known as the Hijrah. This migration marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. In Medina, Muhammad, peace be upon him, established a community governed by Islamic principles, unifying various tribes under the banner of Islam. By 630 CE, Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his followers returned to Mecca, peacefully conquering the city and purging the Kaaba of pagan idols, solidifying Islam's presence in the Arabian Peninsula. The Caliphate and expansion, after Muhammad, peace be upon him, death in 632 CE, leadership transitioned to a series of caliphs in a period known as the Rashidun Caliphate. The first four caliphs, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman, and Hazrat Ali, are referred to as the rightly guided caliphs. During their rule, Islamic territory expanded rapidly, encompassing regions like Syria, Egypt, Persia, and parts of North Africa. The Umayyad Caliphate, 661 to 750 CE, succeeded the Rashidun, extending Islamic rule from the Iberian Peninsula in the west to the Indus Valley in the east. The subsequent Abbasid Caliphate, 750 to 1258 CE, ushered in the Islamic Golden Age, a period marked by significant advancements in science, medicine, mathematics, and culture. Baghdad, the Abbasid capital, became a renowned center of learning and culture during this era. Sectarian developments, the question of succession after Muhammad's death led to the emergence of two main sects within Islam, Sunni and Shia. Sunnis, who constitute the majority, supported the selection of caliphs through consensus, starting with Abu Bakr. Shias, on the other hand, believed that leadership should remain within the Prophet's family, advocating for Ali, Muhammad's, peace be upon him, cousin and son-in-law, as his rightful successor. This division has had lasting religious and political implications throughout Islamic history. Medieval to modern period, various Islamic dynasties and empires rose and fell over the centuries, including the Fatimids, Seljuks, Mamluks, and notably, the Osman Empire, which lasted from the 14th to the early 20th century. The Ottomans played a pivotal role in both the spread of Islam and the shaping of geopolitical landscapes in Europe, Asia, and Africa. In the modern era, Islam continues to be a major global religion with diverse cultural practices and interpretations. The 20th and 21st centuries have seen Islamic societies navigating challenges related to colonialism, modernity, and globalization, leading to various reform movements and debates about the role of Islam in public life. Contemporary context. Today, Islam is practiced by over 1 billion people worldwide, making it the second largest religion globally. Muslim majority countries span from Morocco in the west to Indonesia in the east, each integrating Islamic principles with local customs and traditions. The global Muslim community, known as the Ummah, continues to grapple with issues of identity, interpretation, and the balance between tradition and modernity in an ever-changing world. Islam's rich history reflects a tapestry of spiritual devotion, intellectual pursuit, cultural achievements, and complex socio-political dynamics that have significantly influenced the course of world history.